Hello traders, this is the event yesterday after the close of the trading room, as we discussed for hours, as we discussed for days. Bold red zone is not the place to buy. Bold red zone is a place to monitor for pullback from. Alpha Fibonacci software picked up short on multiple charts. In front of you, software projects it on 5-minute chart. Market collapsed from the bold red zone. Market collapsed from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. This is a message that remained in the trading room for days as price reached retail reversal zone. If I bring to your attention market on February 8th, in case you missed the events, this is what chart look like on retail levels. Price moves one step at a time, market viciously bought. The next day, price is heading higher, February 9th. So when you're using your limitless brain and you understand this was not the place to buy, this was a place to monitor for pullback from. Market was stuck in retail correction for days until around 12 EST. We started seeing institutional profit taking, which had not been seen in months. So how viciously market pullback was spectacular and stunning reminder. Do not gamble with your money. Do not speculate. Do not trade random trades. Never, ever, ever. With the power of the system, you know all of these levels, hours, days, weeks, and months in advance. This morning, February 13th, market selling off. But intelligent trader knows it reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. It's extremely important event. It's playing out in front of you right now. Not the place to short, the place to monitor for long from. If I convert this chart to 1, to 3, to 5, to any chart you choose to trade, as we discussed with my incredible traders pre-market, this is a critical key day as congruency between institutional and retail buy point is present. It's playing out in front of you now. That's it. And what the price will do at this level will define markets for a long time. Mass chop can become instantly institutional power. Again, for retail trader, this is not the place to short. For retail trader, this is a place to monitor for long from. That pure and that simple. So when institutional chart reaches critical key target identified months in advance, that's the reason Goldman interested in my work. It's not about little retail charts. It's about predictive power of the system. So when you're using your limitless brain and you understand how critical key event this is, it between this institutional brick wall and this retail buy point on every single chart in a play right now. That's it. And that's strategic intelligence, Alpha Fibonacci chess. From the top to the bottom. Playing out in front of you live today, February 13th. So this is the software right now. I'm projecting on 1-minute chart as again price picked up, stunning flawless trade. Bold green zone, not the place to short, the place to buy from. That's it. Do not speculate, do not gamble with your money. Use your limitless brain. And when you do, the sky's at the limit. All you have to do, make an effort. And trade with Alpha Fibonacci precision. Precise entry, precise stop, precise target. From retail to institutional rally, price reached critical key, retail target in front of you. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading. Obey the rules and the skies are the limit. You will never, ever, ever need another system or software ever again. ultimate precision with a system and a software that picked up ultimate institutional top and ultimate retail bottom. Again, price reached critical key target. Intelligent trader understands this is very important moment. So when you trade strategically, the skies are the limit. And if price keeps chopping in this retail chop, there is nothing else, only this is present. After all, price reached alpha Fibonacci key target, reversal zone. So here's Euro with alpha Fibonacci system. As traders globally trading alpha Fibonacci system with Forex, picked up the bottom and currently picking up the top and picking up critical key alpha Fibonacci support. So if I bring to your attention Euro from over a year ago, this is Euro now, February 13th, 2024. 104 is lifeline on Euro. Identical event as you're witnessing on S&P, except no software on this chart, only your limitless brain. Traders trading on platforms I've never heard of. You decide what platform you want to trade on. TradingView, MT4, MT5, MT8, Sierra Charts, Interactive Brokers, TradeStation. Of course, absolutely you can. An identical event played out on NVIDIA as alpha Fibonacci system picked up institutional buy point. This is NVIDIA a year ago, February 28, 2023. Here's the NVIDIA right now. Intelligent trader knows where to take profits off the table and exit the trade. NVIDIA reached reversal zone. My goodness, 700% later, and it playing out in front of you with alpha Fibonacci software right now. This is for retail traders, ultimate precision during institutional events. All you have to do, make an effort and obey the rules and identify what instrument, what time frame is appropriate for you. Only retail pullback, no institutional buyers. And a stunning reminder: obey the rules and exit with precise targets. RZ is reversal zone. That pure and that simple. Identical event on gold. Despite catastrophic inflation, gold selling off. Lifeline on gold right now, 2000 level. This level is out, gold in free fall. Oil at institutional bottom. As catastrophic global events playing out, alpha Fibonacci system identified institutional buy point. That pure and that simple. That's it. So please decide if you want today or position trade. Trades play out on other charts. I project software on 1 minute chart so you can see to the tick ultimate precision. In day trading, you cannot be greedy. You have to take what market is giving you. You cannot enter with random entry. You cannot exit with random targets. You cannot think that on 5-point day you're gonna have 5 points. On 50 points day you're gonna have 50 points. That's gambling, that's speculation. Alpha Fibonacci rules give you to the tick ultimate precision. RZ means reversal zone. Do not buy, exit your trade. And that's the reason system and software traded globally. From beginner to hedge fund manager. From micro to macro accounts. Choice is yours, what you will decide to trade. So retail chop remains at critical key. Retail reversals on the bottom. So again, it is between this bottom and it's between this top right now in the current market. Intelligent trader understands it's extremely important event on every single chart, on every single time frame. So if you understand and obey retail chop, you understand how critical key this moment is. If there are no institutional buyers this morning, it's a problem for long-term investors. We have congruency between retail reversal zone and institutional buy point. It's playing out in front of you right now. Can retail chop become spectacular institutional rally? Of course it can, in a split second. Monitoring carefully now. So far, only retail chop. Again, stunning reminder, there is nothing else is possible this morning, only this. Where ultimate precision tested to the core. If price will remain in retail chop, there will be nothing else, only this. Intelligent trader understand it's a critical key congruency day. Institutional and retail buy point in a play. So far we've seen only retail buyers, no institutional buyers, none. But it can change in a split second. Test the zone at alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, at alpha Fibonacci green zone. It's that simple, it's that pure. So when you're ready to trade as intelligent trader, I'm ready to work with you. This is the best time of the year by far to sign up for Fibonacci Trading Institute course, because first time in years I'm teaching a bootcamp. We're down to 6 spaces only. If you are a new student, bootcamp value $27.77 is additional at no cost to new students only, March 14th through 22nd. So if you understand that this is proprietary system traded on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, or with software for NinjaTrader 8 since 2011, traded by traders from beginner to hedge fund manager, you can always view students' performance and you can see traders just like you who are trading options, who are trading futures, making 86% success rate and profits of $8 on every single dollar invested, $8.22. Or if you are in horrific global environment and it's too stressful to day trade, use system long term on stocks, as Georgie does. Legend will be speaking in bootcamp. So every single one of these traders has a different story. Brad was making $10 an hour. As he said in the email, being around you somehow transformed me into super trader. Words that mean the world. And that's the graph that shows the sky's as a limit if you make an effort. Attend bootcamps. Learn other strategies. Do exact same thing as every intelligent, successful human being does. How many bootcamps have? So if you want to win Super Bowl in trading, that's what you do. As Travis Kelce does. Endless Super Bowls, every endless bootcamps every single year. At least 2. So when you practice trading every single day, every single moment, we are in a bootcamp, on average 3 hours per day, you don't have to attend. You can view recordings 24/7. I can't wait for Ken to speak in a bootcamp how he trades crypto on his iPhone for years. So when you sign up for one of these packages, you will be invited to the bootcamp. Private mentoring, the most desirable option. Currently, I work with traders in New Jersey, in Japan, in South Africa, in Australia. Group course video library included in both private mentoring. If you are on NinjaTrader 8, option 1, option 2, and 4 appropriate for you. Option 2, the most popular option, group course. Currently, savings more than $7,000 for group course and private mentoring savings more than $10,000. We meet one-on-one, I test you, I quiz you, I give you homework, I keep you accountable, I show you if you're meant to be day trader or not. I also help you perfect your execution. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com.